Okay, we're going to explain the methodology of joining a storage tank riser to a storage tank stub on the top of a storage tank. Okay, there'll be 4 key points through the process. One will be the tools that you require. One will be the preparation of the 2 surfaces. Then there will be the application of the material, and then the assembly.
Cool.
So first we'll need an impact drive or a cordless drill with a torque setting to put your roofing screw through the flange, some urethane adhesive and a caulking gun. I suggest a pneumatic one, but or a battery powered one, and then you'll just have your roofing screws as well. Okay, we can't have any moisture, dust, grime. It's definitely got to be clean and dry. 100% bone dry. Okay, we've got our caulking gun. To apply the urethane, we'll put a 3 to 4 mil bead around the top of the stub. Right around the hole outside. Okay, and then on the inside of the riser itself, we will put another bead just in this rebate. Glue's coming. Here we go. Takes a little while to get going with this gun, but we're away. Just like so. Just like that. Then we will add some to the flange, just for a little bit of a safeguard. This gun takes a little bit to get going. Probably a little bit thicker than the before. Just like so, right around the entire surface. Now you will lower the riser down onto the stub. So we'll just lower it down. Position. Okay, so this is how it'll look inside. You'll have a little bit of an ooze. Okay, you'll notice that there's still a little bit of a gap here. That's not really anything to do with it's giving strength to the cylinder, not the actual seals there. The seals on the inside, as I showed before. So then we'll just get a screw and roofing screw, and well, we'll get multiple, and we'll just put them in. Just like that, snug, just to hold it in place. We'll need a bit of a 300 spacing. We'll use one every 300. And that's your riser joined to your storage tank stub. That's sealed, glued, and fastened. That's